The name BioPrint can be misleading for some. The simplest way to put it is an opportunity. No matter what major you are, we'll find a way for you to do something that interests you.
I'm Sean Bedfay, and I'm the founding president of RIT BioPrint.
I'm Will Byron, and I'm the founding vice president.
We are a club hosted by the Department of Biomedical Engineering at RIT. We're a club that explores 3D technologies in the medical field, whether that be by creating prosthetic devices or assistive devices, surgical models, educational tools such as printing skulls or other bones and stuff like that. We currently have about 45 active members, and we're working on 5 different projects. So the 2 pillars of BioPrint are 1 to teach and 2 to do. So we provide students with an opportunity to learn about a lot of these different softwares, learn some new skills. But then what we do is really awesome is we make projects that use these skills. So you can then go into a lab, use a program that you just learned how to do. An example is we had a workshop on how to convert a CT scan to a 3D printable model. And then one of our projects was exactly doing that. So you get to apply what you learn, which is really awesome.
The workshops are important, first off, because these type of experiences you don't really get in the classroom.
So one of the projects we're working on is a dog with an amputation of her back right leg. Her name is Molly, and she's a black lab. She's at Lollipop Farm. They found her after an accident where she had fractured her back left hip. We are working to try and create a cart or some sort of wheelchair to provide her to have a lot of movement despite the fact that she has the back right leg amputated.
One of the other projects we're working on is Golf for Gary. Gary is a gentleman who had a pretty severe infection due to some complications. He ended up having to have amputations of most of his right hand. Gary likes to play golf, and this was a pretty unique opportunity to work with somebody who wouldn't fit a traditional prosthesis, but needed a device to just allow him to live his life a little bit.
One of the other projects we're working on is Angus. Angus is a 110-pound bull mastiff, and he's from Veterinary Specialists and Emergency Services. He has a mid-radial amputation on his front left leg due to infection, and we're trying to create some sort of a prosthetic device for him so that he can be active, he can run around, play in the mud, stuff like that. To continue doing these meaningful projects, we need your help. There are a number of different ways you can help us, whether it's simply by sharing us on Facebook or by making donations, whether they're monetary or resources that we can use.
By helping BioPrint, you're doing a lot more than just helping the club. You're helping the community, you're helping people in the Rochester area, as well as those around the world that have the potential to benefit from the work that we're doing and the projects that we're working on.
Thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and please feel free to share it.